Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to Codemiax. In last video, we have seen variables, but in today's video, we are going to see strings. Well, string is such a large topic that I have to divide videos. So we will be discussing two topics in every video. Alright, that being said, what are strings? String is just a text. Any character, word or sentence, all text. If I give you a real world example, then social media, email, all the LLMs like ChatGPT you are using, everything has text, right? And there are very many smart ways to handle text. So we'll be looking into all those such important topics to manipulate strings. So let me take you to the computer screen and let me discuss the string basics and string concatenation. Alright, let's jump to the computer screen now. Okay, here I'll just zoom a bit and I'll be creating a file which will say 01 underscore string basics.py. Okay, so you already know how to create string. You have already saw in previous video, but still I'll be discussing that again. So name equals to hello world. Now here if you notice, I have created two variables and allocated two strings to it. But one was created using double quotes and another was created using single quotes. Well, both these ways works perfect. But lot of developers, they uses double quotes while creating string. Well, single quotes does not have any drawback, it works the same. Alright, but here is the tricky part. What if your string contains quote? Let's say for example, message to equals to she said hello. Well, here if you see, quotes here got confused because we are wrapping this string in double quotes and also we are using double quotes inside a string to wrap one more word. We can say hello over here. But what Python is understanding is this is a string, there is some word here and this is another string. So Python here is getting confused. So in such cases, you can use opposite quotations. For example, if I just solve this problem, then here I want to use double quotes inside this string. Then I can wrap this entire string using single quotes. So, oh, I just erased S over here. So you can do something like this. Wrap entire string using single quotes and you can use double quotes inside it. Vice versa. If you are using single quotes inside a string, then wrap this string using double quotes. Okay. And if you don't want to do that, then what you can do is, I'll just undo everything so I can show you. You can use escape character. For example, / over here. So when you do this, so Python basically ignores the error and consider these quotes as a character. Basically, in a very simple language, I would say, considers this as a character. Okay, so this is how you do. And if you just go ahead and print it, message to, then you will see the output. She said hello. And if you don't do, like if you just run the code with this error, then it is just going to give you invalid syntax. Okay, so keep in mind, if you do any syntax errors, then it is going to give you this kind of an error. Okay, this was just to show you the error type. That's it. Okay, that being said, let us move to the other topic, which is string concatenation. So I'll be creating one more file over here, which will be 02 underscore string concatenation.py, and I'll just close this file, or I'll just solve this error over here. Okay, done. Now string concatenation means joining two strings. Well, here let's say first underscore name equals to John and last underscore name equals to Joy. Now if I want to write down my full name using these two variables, then what I can do is full underscore name equals to first underscore name plus, and to have a space in between these two strings, I will create an empty string using space, and I will connect using plus sign last name. Okay, and if I just go ahead and print full name, then this is what you get, John Doe. Okay, so to concatenate any string, you just use plus sign and it will be connected to your string. But yeah, you cannot concatenate string with number. For example, let's say age. Okay, age equals to 24, and when I just do print, let's say first name plus age, and when I run the code, you can see we got error. This is type error, so can only concatenate string, not integer to string, right? So you got the basic idea about this concatenation. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And tomorrow we are actually going to learn one exciting topic, which is going to be format string. So I'll see you there. Thank you so much for watching.